Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets A to Z. Kids class name red color, yellow color, blue color, black color, green color, white color. Kids night coloring ABC. Kids first we draw A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color. B for ball, B for bat. C for cat, C for car. Kids again use red color and draw D for dog, D for doll. E for egg, E for elephant. F for fish, F for fan. Kids night G for goat, G for grapes, and use yellow color. H for hand, H for helicopter. Kids again use yellow color and draw I for ice, I for ice cream. J for joker, J for jackfruit. K for kite, K for king. Kids night L for lion, L for lemon, and use blue color. M for moon, M for mango. N for nose, N for nest. Kids again use blue color and draw O for orange, O for octopus. Kids night P for parrot, P for penguin. The alphabets of P, and use black color. Q for queen, Q for quill. R for rose, R for rice. Kids again use black color and draw S for sun, S for snake. T for teacher, T for tiger. Kids night U for umbrella, U for uncle, and use green color. V for van, V for vanilla. W for wallet, W for watch. Kids again use green color and draw X for x-ray, X for Xmas tree. Y for yak, Y for yaya. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.